So let's start with what exactly is ImaginXP. So ImaginXP is something which has become the highest ed organization in India. They were the first people who bought UX designing. So UX designing always is there, but it is something because of ImaginXP that as a part of education was being bought by ImaginXP. Okay, so we work in providing degree courses, certification, and execution of multiple courses. We have been partnered with 30 plus universities pan India, and I'll also let you know what are those universities and how we have been able to basically associate with multiple sectors. So our current associations are in three segments. First is corporate association, second is retail centers, and third is traditional universities. So as you can see, in the circle part, you'll be able to see that these are some of the universities that we have been associated with. And when you can see the corporate partnership, you'll be able to see that these are the places where we have been organized multiple design thinking workshops, UX design workshop to train these employees and upgrade their skills. Okay, then we have retail centers across pan India, and we are trying to provide short-term courses to these centers. And in traditional universities, basically we are running with UG and PG degree programs. You can see that these are the centers where we have virtual university location and we have urban location centers as well. So you guys can go through it.